let's talk about factorials. Let's say we want to find 3 factorial. Now, this exclamation mark just means that we're going to multiply every number between 1 and whatever number we have. So basically, this means we're going to multiply 1, 2, and 3. This is just 6. So let's say we want to find 5 factorial. This will be 1 times 2 times 3 times 4 times 5. We know this is 6 times 20. This will be 120. So try finding 7 factorial by yourself. So 7 factorial will be 1 times 2 all the way until 7. Now you might notice something interesting here. These numbers are the same as these numbers. So this is just 5 factorial times 6 times 7. This will be 120 times 6 times 7. So this will be equal to 5040. Now, factorials can be useful in finding the arrangements of words. So let's say we want to find the number of ways to arrange the word red. Let's list them all out. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ways to arrange them. Now, you might recall that 3 factorial is 6. And the number of ways to arrange red is 6. And red just so happens to have 3 letters. In other words, the pattern is to arrange the number of letters in a word. We just need to find the number of letters and take the factorial of that. So try finding the number of arrangements of bread. Now, bread has 5 letters. So 5 factorial is 120. So there's 120 ways to arrange the word bread. Try one more. Try to find the number of arrangements for notebook. So there's 8 letters. And so there's 8 factorial ways to arrange it, right? Well, that's actually wrong because we have repeating letters. So let's try just listing out a few combinations. So let's try just listing out a few arrangements of the word notebook. So we have notebook itself. Then we can switch these O's. So that'll be notebook. Then we can switch these O's, and that'll be notebook. But wait, all of these are the same arrangements, but we switched the O's. Well, the thing is, we can't switch the O's because they're the same thing. So we need to somehow account for the number of arrangements of the O's. Now there's 3 O's. 1, 2, and 3. So we're going to divide 8 factorial by 3 factorial. So this will be 1 times 2 all the way to 8. And this will be 1 times 2 times 3. So we can cancel out the 2 and we can cancel out the 3. And so we're left with 4 times 5 times 6 times 7 times 8. This is 120 times 56. So this will be 6,720. Now, factorials and rearrangements of words can be a little bit complicated, so this requires a lot of practice.
I'll link a practice worksheet and its answers in the comment section, so make sure to check those out.